Like a goose, because we're going to be doing this first video today. Goose, you won't believe it. They ate the ants and flies. So they had to reclose this sidewalk now because the ants and flies ate the dead baby bird already. So yeah, so guys, I forgot to show you. So guys, I'm gonna take that down. Because look, it was because of all the wind that screws. It's been insane. Because yeah. So it's time to reclose all the roads down. I don't think I need the sun anymore, so I'll probably just throw it away. Doing some work up there, guys, as you can see. So guys, we're gonna take this sign down. Look how dirty it is, Goose. So guys, we're gonna take it down today. Today's the day. Hey guys. Because I can't believe that we just took down the sign. I can't believe, I mean, it's been closed down for quite a while. I just threw my scooter down here to see. Because I'm just gonna park my scooter right here so everyone can walk down here whenever they want, drive whenever they want. It's all done now, Goose. So Goose, we're gonna park my scooter up here. So Goose, what we're gonna do is this. So Goose, I'm gonna turn around. I don't want to drive while I'm holding the camera on the grass. Because down there I'm going to have to do that too. So you can see. Because yeah, I'm going to turn on my scooter and drive a little bit through this. I'm going to remove all the stuff. That's it. Okay guys. Time to park my electric scooter up here. Okay, Goose. Goose. Okay, Goose, since we're not, we just have to remove all of the dirt now. That's good, we don't need that anymore. And I don't think really enjoy it. Look at that goose. All the little rocks. Okay guys, it's all free now. You can drive on it, you can walk on it whenever you want. Okay guys, we're gonna bring these two scooters back. As you guys can see. Okay guys, we're gonna bring that one back after this. Okay guys, we're gonna bring this one back now. Okay guys, I'm excited. Okay guys, let's do it. You can see guys. Okay guys, coast is clear. Look, that van's from Maryland. You can definitely see that. Because now, final thing, driving this back. As you can see, we've been having this stuff here for quite a while, Goose. Yeah. This is my second video today. It's going to be a just cause through video. There goes. There goes, we're done. Can't believe it. Now we're going to go take a look at it. Goose. I'm just going to bring this up quick. Alright, I'm going to do that. I never move that. Oh man. Here's now we're gonna go take a look. Let's take a look. Oh guys, look at that big dump truck. A dumpster. He has a dumpster truck, guys. Look at that. From Donsko, guys. I've told you about Don's Coast like a million times. There's no way you guys don't know Don's Coast. Yeah, that smells good. That's a nice truck, Goose. Yeah. You see trucks like that all the time in Don's Coast. Yeah. Because we're going over here. Look how different it looks now. It's all gone, Goose. Every single bit of it. Whole bird is gone now. They ate it all, Goose. It's pretty insane how they ate it all that quick. Usually it takes like more than that, but I don't know. Man, that kind of took a while and all, but because you still have that little dirt patch. It's just a stain now. Yeah. But Goose, goodbye, Goose.